Hello everyone, welcome back. Uh, this exercise, before I call out, please subscribe to Day One Dev, and we're going to do another exercise for CKAD practice. So this practice question is going to be create a config map, and config map will be added to a pod, right? So let's get on this part, and let's see the in action. Right? The first step after successfully login, just still on your exam, make sure that you're doing its context. That is, even if you see the same thing, but I do suggest is create that as an execute that. All right. So the first step, as I said, it's going to be creating a config map, and let's go to this Kubernetes documentation, the CTL command, and look for create config map. So let's do an action here. So let's do our alias, which, as I said, previous videos, you don't need this command. You get this as part of your predefined. So, just want to call it. You can call us a config map, or you can say a CM, right? Then we're going to create a name called Kenobi, and under namespace it says Yodha. Now we need to create, he has given us a literal planet Hoth, so we're going to create we're not doing it from a file, so it should be from literal, right? So we're going to call out from literal equals planet equals Hoth, okay? So I'll generate a YAML file. It's not required if you're confident, but just to show for you guys, sorry, dry run. It's not a dry client. So just call it the same YAML name. Okay. So I'll do Kenobi. We can see this. So this here we created entire YAML file. You can see here attached stuff. It's been recreated. So I'll execute this part. Okay, apply. Oh, as I said, previous videos, you can use a create or you can apply, but I try to do more preferred apply, because some reason if I have a created, if I'm trying to execute again with a modification, so always apply gets it's kind of a create and update. Apply is, or else if you do a create, it will fail if you try to do that. All right, so let's verify our script. It should be there. Oh, object is not met yet. Why? Why object is not met? Okay, let's see. CM in. We got it. Right. Canopy planet. We have it. Why didn't KNOBI? Yoda, we got it. Right. Planet Hoth. Why didn't it say? Oh, there's a typo. This here. Okay. Now, an issue. So let's do edit. It's a good exercise. This is not part of this one, but still we'll do edit. You can do this. Okay, perfect. We are where is the data? There should be somewhere here data. Oh, here. Good. I hope it should be now. Perfect. All right. Now the second step you're going to do is create a pod. So we can use a run as this, but unfortunately you cannot have a command here to modify config map based on a scenario, but we'll create a YAML file. Okay. Run pod is a Chewy, so it's going to be same namespace. The image specifically it has a label. Perfect. So let's create a YAML. let's go to, okay. So now I'll go to the documentation here. Config map pod. Okay. Just put something the pod using a config map. You see, you should see this because in your exam you have this opportunity. You can check on this part. Okay, this is what we did previously. We are good on this part. Now we should find something a pod which we created all this stuff. Where is it? Now pod. Come on. Okay. Still config. Okay, perfect. So there you go. What did ask? It's ask us a mount as a volume, not as an environment variable. If you see here, we have environment variables. So we have to look for volume mount. Volume mount. Okay. Perfect. There you go. This is what we need to find it. So we're gonna do this. Modify edit. Let's go to container. We need a volume mount, so we don't need all this stuff. We can remove it if you want. Just for me, time saving part, I'm just deleted all the stuff. Volume mounts. I'm gonna do this. And does it say anything? Provide volume name must be gonna be -cm. Okay, cm. That's perfect. And as it says mount path. Let's give another C star wars. Okay, now we're gonna do mount the volumes. And we try to keep it here so that way I'm not messing up my uh, location or the tab spaces. Always I prefer this. Name. We have to use canopy -cm. Right. Config map. We have a name we have to use. I hope you guys remember the name. We said the canopy. Okay. Let's go and apply. Right. Let's check for parts. -n the container creation. Okay, let's give a minute. It shouldn't take a long time. Okay. Logs pod/GWIE. Not one pods. It's okay. It's running. It's running. So let's see just for GWIE. Anything logs? No logs. Okay. So let's do verify. It looks everything good. Perfect. We're good on this part. So I'll come back with another practice question. And meanwhile, I do suggest please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll come. That will help me to see when the number of views are coming up, and it will help me to create a new content. All right. See you in the next video.